How to fix YouTube download quality. So if you want to fix your YouTube download quality, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can go for the search bar and search for youtube.com, or you can go for your shortcuts and open up your YouTube and just simply sign into your YouTube. And once you open up your YouTube, now here on the upper side, click on the profile, and here you will have settings. Click on settings, and once you click on settings, here on the left, you will have your options. So you can simply go for downloads. And once you go for downloads, here you will have your download quality, right? So if you want to change your download quality, then simply change that from low to standard. Or you can go for ask each time so that it will ask you while you download your YouTube videos. So make sure that you have choose this standard quality instead of the low quality. So that's it. That's how you fix your YouTube download quality. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.